I've had loads of people text me, but
just keep wheels straight. Yeah, go.
Some people need red.
How much is having full pit for?
15. Cheap that.
The bag's cheap. He said if the bag's low enough on the strut and you've got the room, you can machine the fucking thing down and get more thread. Which might be
Right then. Who should I get?
I don't know what I'm getting. I like Tartan, but I think it way too much.
Yeah, you dog house.
Red?
Them long legs to stay on the floor.
Yeah,
But then the whole bar thing needs to go right.
I'd go red.
So the top on the jump.
Yeah.
we start first, we start with the long one.
Yeah.
We'd have to, I'm presuming, Liam, am I right in saying that once them two long legs are on the floor, the cage will literally sit back?
I think so, but it touches, it pulls the roof.
Is that
on the floor, don't we?
Yeah.
Sit on the back.
Yeah. Almost go for anything.
Let's try it. All we can do is try it.
Roll each corner. Yeah.
Full plank on that.
Yes. So what I've said to you, I've got a math before my turbo.
Yeah.
Pull this towards me.
Yeah, but hang on, before you do that,
Yeah,
I got
there.
stuck on the thing,
The leg got stuck there last time.
Just keep it above the dash.
Are we on that door still? Right, we're on the door still. Right.
Oh, to be fair, if you lift it over there, and when you come in, you should be able to go forward.
Yeah.
So there's two. Right, go on.
Yeah, this is how we got it out. Last time it just fully twisted it. So come round.
It's that top bit there, Chris. Top
Maybe. Oh, no.
Yeah, there we go. Maybe.
So we go to then push it forward. Chris is there now. I've just got this one. Push it to you. Right.
Get these
There you go. Right now, straight to the front. All the way to the front. That's it. You just go a bit further if you can't go. I'll let bottom on the. Wait,
If you touch him on the screen, then it's more weight. Oh, right.
Seatbelt.
Yeah. Well, good.
There you go.
I think.
Yeah.
Come back a little bit.
Right, now I think turn it. Because you've got the dash there, you go forward a little bit.
Tilt back.
Forward to the dash.
Yeah, but we need to get these away. So if it's on mirror. Right,
Yeah, I'm fantastic. Go, watch